Okay, it's been about 3 hours. We're going to check on the split brisket. Starting to get some really good color. We're going to go ahead and tray them and then just let them sit in the tray, bark up some more. We're going to tray them because we don't want to lose a lot of the juice. It's going to come out of these. About an hour or so, check on our tallow as it starts to melt up. We'll add some tallow in there, but we're going to let that bark develop a little bit longer. All right, we're going to go ahead and check in on these briskets. Bark's setting up nice. We're going to add a little bit of tallow. Pour it on real slow. You don't want to wash off your bark. This helps keep it moist. It's looking really good. Probably kick up the heat, 300, 315. Keep cruising. Good. We're temping at 178, 165 in the front. That's fine. Once we get this wrapped and back in the smoker, this thinner part's going to start cooking faster because, as you'll see, it's actually going to be closer to the fire on the second pass through. 180, 74, 76. Okay, yeah, we're good. So what we're actually going to do, we're going to take the juice from this one, and you'll see why we're going to do this. We're going to pour this in here, and we're going to start with the flat. We're going to bring this over here, and we're basically going to put the brisket back together. So that's what's going to prevent this thinner piece from getting overcooked, as it's going to be closer toward the fire now. So this is going to get wrapped. We're going to dip it back in there on the top side to get it nice and wet, keep it moist, and get it back in the smoker. So we hit temp, probe tender, and mess them right out. There we go. So we'll do this. So like I said, that thin part of the point is going to be up towards the fire now, but it's going to be protected from underneath from the bulk of that. Or the flat, the small part of the flat's going to be protected by the bulk of the point there. Get the paper nice and wet. Put this back in the smoker. Be on in a couple hours. We are at the 5-hour mark right now. So we're at the 5-hour mark. We're cruising. I'm thinking this is probably maybe 2 or 3 more hours. So we'll find out.